Did you know that the average traveler overpacks by 30%? That's right, many of us stuff our bags with things we don't need, leaving us cramped for space when it matters most. But here's the kicker. Packing smart isn't about bringing less, it's about packing smarter. Imagine fitting everything you need into a tiny carry-on while still having room to spare for those extra souvenirs or snacks. In this video, we'll show you 6 travel hacks that'll change the way you pack forever. From space-saving tricks you've never thought of, to packing strategies that experts swear by, you'll learn how to travel light without leaving anything behind. Stick with us to discover how to turn your overstuffed suitcase into a perfectly organized carry-on. Ready to save space and stress less? Let's dive in. Chapter 1. Compress it like a pro. The vacuum seal game changer. You've probably heard of vacuum seal bags, but have you really considered how much space they can save? The secret to packing more in your bag lies in compressing your clothes. Vacuum seal bags are a game changer when it comes to saving space, and here's why. They can reduce the volume of your clothes by up to 75%. That's huge when you're trying to fit your entire wardrobe into a tiny bag. Here's how it works. You pack your clothes into the bag, seal it, and then use a vacuum to remove the air. This method works on everything from jeans to sweaters, even bulky jackets. It's like squeezing your favorite items into a perfectly sized box. And the best part? It doesn't add extra weight, just less space. In fact, travel experts swear by this technique for long trips. You'll be amazed at how much more you can fit in your bag after using this method. The real magic happens when you pack your clothing in layers, with the heaviest items at the bottom. If you use this smart compression trick, you'll have more room for your extra shoes, toiletries, and other essentials. Chapter 2. Smart clothing choices. The 3-in-1 trick. When it comes to clothing, the key to saving space is versatility. Instead of packing multiple bulky items, choose clothing that can serve multiple purposes. A jacket that doubles as a blanket or a pair of shoes that can go from day to night. The more flexible your clothes, the less you need to pack. Consider the 3-in-1 jacket trend. This jacket isn't just for warmth, it can turn into a travel pillow or even a blanket when needed. Think about it. You no longer need to carry a pillow in your carry-on. And when you're on the plane, that jacket becomes your cozy shield against the cold cabin air. What's even cooler? Clothing companies are catching on to this trend. Brands are designing shoes that double as both stylish daytime footwear and comfy nighttime slippers. And scarves? They can be much more than just a fashion accessory. A thick scarf can easily double as a blanket or pillow when you need it. So why pack 3 bulky items when one multifunctional piece can do the job? Chapter 3. Tech-savvy packing. The digital declutter. In today's world, we're all carrying around gadgets, from tablets to laptops, and of course, our phones. But these devices take up valuable space in your carry-on. The solution? Going digital. Swap out paper books for e-readers, and convert your documents into digital files to avoid carrying heavy paper printouts. Travel experts recommend investing in a lightweight tablet. You can store books, maps, and even your boarding passes, all in one place. With everything digital, you won't need to carry bulky books or piles of papers. According to a recent study, digital readers save travelers up to 50% of the space they'd otherwise use for physical reading materials. And it doesn't stop there. If you can, ditch the paper maps and use an app on your phone instead. Download offline maps to avoid carrying a physical copy. As for your music, load up your playlist on your phone or device and leave those bulky music players at home. But don't forget about chargers. While digital devices are great space savers, don't make the mistake of packing a separate charger for each gadget. Invest in a multi-charger that can handle all your devices at once. That's one less cord to carry around, which frees up more space in your bag. If you're finding these hacks useful, don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you won't miss any more tips on traveling light and smarter. Chapter 4. The modular packing system. Pack, stack, and go. If you want to pack like a pro, it's time to adopt the modular packing system. This strategy involves organizing your bag into different compartments, each with a specific purpose. Packing cubes, pouches, or even small zippered bags allow you to neatly separate your clothes, toiletries, and gadgets. By stacking and organizing your belongings in separate compartments, you'll immediately notice how much more you can fit in your carry-on. Travel experts recommend using compression packing cubes, which squeeze air out of the bag, making everything even smaller. One study found that travelers who use packing cubes save up to 30% more space than those who don't. But it's not just about cramming in more stuff. This system helps you stay organized. No more digging through your bag to find that one shirt buried at the bottom. You can easily access your clothes by simply pulling out the cube or pouch you need. And let's talk about versatility. These cubes aren't just for clothes. Use one for electronics, another for toiletries, and a third for accessories. When you're on the go, you can grab the exact bag you need without unpacking everything. The modular packing system helps you avoid chaos and ensures everything has its place. Chapter 5. DIY Travel Essentials. Reusable containers that shrink. One of the easiest ways to save space in your carry-on is by switching to reusable containers. Instead of packing bulky, single-use items like large shampoo bottles or disposable plastic bags, create your own compact travel kits. You can transfer your favorite toiletries into smaller, refillable containers, which take up far less space than the originals. Research shows that toiletries are one of the top offenders when it comes to wasted space in luggage. By switching to travel-sized bottles, you can save up to 50% of the space used by standard-size products. And these containers are not just compact, they're eco-friendly, too. You'll be doing the environment a favor while saving precious space. But don't stop at toiletries. Think about other items you can downsize. For example, travel-sized laundry detergent or toothpaste tablets can replace full-sized versions. And instead of carrying a bulky, traditional razor, opt for a compact travel razor or a safety razor that packs neatly. Creating your own DIY travel kits means you're in full control of what you pack, and you're cutting down on unnecessary bulk. The beauty of reusable containers is that they're also customizable. You can choose the exact size you need based on how much space you have left in your bag. Chapter 6. Wear it and carry it. Accessories that do double duty. Sometimes, the key to saving space in your carry-on is all in your accessories. Think of them not just as extras, but as multifunctional tools that do more than one job. A stylish backpack that can convert into a fanny pack or a jacket with built-in pockets and sleeves that become a pillow. These accessories are all about saving space while making life easier during your travels. One trend that's gaining popularity is convertible clothing. For example, there are jackets designed to become pillows when rolled up, or pants with hidden zippers that turn into shorts. These items let you carry less without sacrificing comfort or practicality. You get the same benefits, just with fewer things to pack. For travelers who love versatility, there are bags that can transform into different shapes or sizes. A backpack that doubles as a duffel bag? Yes, please. Or how about a neck pillow that folds neatly into your carry-on, but also turns into a travel blanket when you need it most? These items make packing and unpacking much simpler, especially when you're on the go. Another great example is shoes that can adapt to different situations. There are shoes that convert from daytime sneakers to comfy evening slippers, meaning you only need to pack one pair instead of two. Travelers can also get creative with items like scarves. A large, thick scarf can become a blanket or even a beach towel, saving space while keeping you cozy. And let's not forget about hats and bags. Many have hidden compartments where you can stash small essentials, making it look like a regular accessory but with bonus storage. If you enjoyed these hacks, don't forget to subscribe for more travel tips and tricks to make your packing game stronger than ever. With these 6 travel hacks, you'll be able to take on any trip with ease. Packing light doesn't have to mean sacrificing comfort or style. It's all about smart choices, clever tricks, and a little creativity. The next time you travel, you'll have more room for the things that truly matter, like making great memories.